afternoon, traders. Hopefully, everyone had a great weekend and a good trading day. Dow and S&P down, Nasdaq up. Before we get into the show, I really want to thank all my subscribers. I really do appreciate you guys tuning in. All right, with that said, we are going to go into the first stock that we highlighted all week last week. That is NIO. So if you remember what I said about NIO, I said NIO had to retest this 10 SMA, and either it had to do by price or by time. And what we saw today, it came down by price and retested this 10 SMA right here. So if you're long NIO, this is a great time to stay long. Actually, watch this today's high. Watch that tomorrow. See if it can take that out, and then we will target that $20.97. I really think this stock goes much higher. Okay, that's NIO. Now we're going to talk about the two stocks that we highlighted on Friday as potential buys, and the first stock is AQUA. AQUA. I did say watch that first 30-minute first 30-minute candle, and we were going to target this point of control right up here. But unfortunately, the first 30-minute candle got taken out on the downside, so therefore it was a no play. We will have it on our list. Eventually, I believe AQUA will be a great buy. It'll eventually bust through this $20.35 range. But as of right now, it is a no play and a no buy. So the next stock that we highlighted from Friday was ICPT. ICPT on Friday did close right by this point of control. I said watch that first 30-minute candle, see what it does. It stays above this 20 intraday SMA. It should be a buy, and that's exactly what I did. I bought in at 49.83. It did make higher highs all the way through the day. It did the last 2 hours sell off a little bit, but it's still above this point of control. It is above this 20 intraday SMA, and it is very close to this value area high. So tomorrow, watch that 30-minute candle again. If it takes it out on the upside, target this value area high, and hopefully we move into this new value area up here, and we'll continue making higher highs. That's ICPT. Okay, so with that, we are going to highlight the stocks that we own, and the first one is AMRN. AMRN. All right, let's bring that up as we wait for the charts to pop up. There we go. All right, so AMRN had a nice day today. I mean, it looked like it was going to sell off and try to retest this value area low, but the nice thing is it didn't. It made that candle, that first 30-minute candle. It did make a lower low after that, and it based and never made a lower low. Sellers, no other sellers came in, and that's a great sign. And it closed near the high of the day, and actually we are up in after hours right now, which is also a really good sign going into tomorrow. So target, if you are in AMRN as of right now, just hang tight. I believe AMRN will continue to go higher. Okay, that is AMRN. So the next stock that we own is AQST. AQST had a nice day today. It was up 1.5%. It did get a little dicey early in the morning. I did say on Friday, watch that first 30-minute candle. If it takes out Fridays and Thursdays low, just be careful. And it actually did that. But I held on. I wanted to see if there was any continuation after that first 30-minute candle on the downside before I sold. Luckily, it did not. That was the low of the day. In fact, it ran up the rest of the day, closed above this point of control, closed above this 20 SMA right here on the intraday. So now where to? I'm targeting this value area high right up here. I believe that'll get taken out in the next few days, and I think we will continue higher and possibly finally take that 52-week high of $10 out and continue to go higher. That's AQST. So with that, we are going to go into the three stocks that looked really good going into tomorrow and the rest of the week. And the first one that we have played in the past is AVXL. Right here, if you look at AVXL, closed above the 20 intraday SMA, closed above this point of control. I have an alert set at 427, which is today's high. If that gets taken out tomorrow after that first 30-minute candle, I will be long. I am going to target this 447 initially, and then if it takes that out with any good volume, I could see this going into this new value area right up in here and go a lot higher. That's AVXL. Next stock on our list is WKHS. WKHS had a really nice day, up about 10% right here. Made that first 30-minute candle, was up by that point of control initially, took that out, and it ran nicely into the into the close. We're right by here on this value area high. Watch that tomorrow. This is key tomorrow. Watch that 30-minute. If it takes it out on the upside, I believe that 52-week high in WKHS will be taken out, and it'll go a lot higher after that. Last stock on the list is VBIV. VBIV had another nice little day with 12.5 million shares being traded. It was up 6.7%. It is really close to this point of control right here, 429. Watch this tomorrow. So if it can take that out, here's another one. If it could take it out on the upside, hold that first 30-minute candle, target this value area high, and then eventually we're gonna make more value in this whole area right up here. Watch that 580 mark right here, and then I think we can target that pretty easily if we can get above this value area high. All right, everyone, I want to thank you for joining me this evening. My name is Eric. You can reach me at eric@valueareatrader.com. That's Eric with a C at valueareatrader.com. I want you guys to have a great night. Remember to trade smart and be safe.